how does Uptake Fleet actually work to help fleet maintenance managers deal with the challenges of extending life cycles on vehicles?
We actually have two paths that can help with the predictive side and getting ahead of maintenance. So one is the sensors and insights side, where we'll take engine data from a variety of sources, whether that's through an OEM, whether that's through a telematics service provider, but whoever's connected to the ECM, we'll gather that data. And as much data as they give us, we can then apply up to 65 different data science models that can provide out 200 different insights, predictive insights on how the truck is running. An example of that would be like a NOx sensor failure, right? We start seeing anomalies, we start seeing issues with the NOx sensor that could lead to a derate and a breakdown or a limp or a tow back in. We're seeing those well ahead before it happens. It's not necessarily a fault code. It's not necessarily, that's right when it's bad. We can actually say, hey, this is starting to have an issue. The beauty of that is that truck may be in for a tire rotation on that Monday, and we're saying, hey, this is starting to be an issue, right? Why don't you take care of it while it's here?